Hi, Dr. Kousouli here. I'm going to share with you a collection of videos that was put together during my open heart surgery and also afterwards in the recuperation process. My healing was fast and it was simple, and maximum healing is possible in a very short amount of time if you know the secrets and the procedures. Hopefully this information helps you or a loved one going through a similar fate of open heart surgery or valve replacement surgery in particular.
We're going in. We're going in. Strong Spartan style. No fear. God's got this. That's it. Theo out.
Show them how Spartans fighting there, bro.
I don't have my shield and my sword, but I'll do my best, bro.
I'm sure they can give you something.
Do Spartans wear cool hats like this?
I have a sword. Do you want a sword?
You have a sword? Give me a sword.
Oh, sorry.
You're gonna love
This is great. They got a sword.
This is my son's bubble sword that
How
I left.
am I going to lead into surgery with this?
Yeah.
How am I
That he left it at someone's house and they brought it to me, so luckily I have a sword today.
He should be
supposed
knighted.
to
Sword to work.
I'm
It's a
supposed to
bubble
lead
sword.
myself into surgery with this.
Yeah, you got
How
it.
is a Spartan? This is my Spartan.
It matches
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
it's a set.
Onward. Onward.
Let us just want to make sure.
It's a surgery.
No, this is without any medication.
And no drugs yet,
Not
yeah.
even drugs yet, babe. This is all natural. I'm having life. Let's get this show.
The tired soldier, the tired Spartan.
The battle's going.
You're already losing down.
Go ahead into the war. Uh-oh. Traffic jam.
Onward.
Traffic jam. Traffic jam. All right, brother. Stay strong.
You gotta push yourself just a little bit every day. Can't let yourself slide backwards. All the mental thinking and the meditation that I've actually been able to be blessed and able to do and understand how this world works, how you're thinking, most importantly, but how you're thinking and feeling connected. Very important to understand that when you're healing, it constitutes love. Love for yourself and love for others. Love for the universe, love for God, and the connection, the interconnection between all of those aspects. This and this drives everything else.
Probably feels like you got run over by a truck.
Yeah.
And all I can say is this is like ground zero. It'll only get, each day will be a little bit better. Like tomorrow will be better than tonight. And then
I'll be able to walk around.
yeah, tomorrow we're gonna kind of rest the rest of the night. Right now it's like 10 o'clock, and then maybe around.
Already?
What's that?
Where did the time go?
Right, where did the time go? Right?
Here on out, we want you to be active.
Yeah, mobility is the next goal for tomorrow.
With healing, it's important to know that you're going to go through a metamorphosis, just like a caterpillar and a butterfly. It's a normal part of the process. To not want the metamorphosis means you don't want the healing. If you want the healing and the metamorphosis, you don't want the change. And that means you're afraid of growth. So don't be afraid at all going forward with any kind of change to improve oneself.
Blood.
Your first time getting up, that can be a little bit scary because you don't know what to expect.
Great job. All right, Speedy Gonzalez, I can hardly walk backwards this fast, you know. You're doing so good, Theo. Yeah, he is. Day one. Everywhere you go, you got a fan club, man. What do you feel?
Feel good.
Yeah? What about in your chest? Are you feeling?
Just tight. Everything's tight.
Remember,
Big good.
wins the race, okay? Don't try to push yourself too hard these first couple of days.
You got a thumbs up?
It's just.
Do you want the teddy bear?
Yeah. Go ahead.
To hold on to it, to squeeze it. Sometimes it helps with the chest pain. It's like a splint.
They didn't tell you I'm a Spartan.
Oh, what?
They didn't tell her I'm a Spartan.
No.
I need to tell you.
one more practice, or this is the real thing? Real thing. All right.
Real thing. Ready?
So take some nice. So 1, 2, 3. Hold, 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 hold. Okay, and breathe. Good. Good job. Here, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good roll.
Yeah, you're doing great. Sorry, I know this is not fun.
Here I am, right after getting out of the hospital, and I kind of insisted to get out as soon as possible because the majority of my healing is to happen outside the walls of the hospital, not really inside them. As soon as they do the excellent job of getting me all set up, I gotta take it to the next level. And just made a awesome shake with tons of strong nutrients and phytochemicals. Did a fine job, look at that. I'm also at my sister's place, I'm not my place. I mean, when you're getting this kind of work, you need to have somebody that can help you kind of manage your day-to-day stuff, because it's very difficult until you get yourself situated. Walking around is hard. Breathing is definitely hard. And you feel like take a few steps, it feels like you took a mile. So the name of the game right now, go very slow. Lots of nutrition, tons of good sleep, positive mental attitude, a gratefulness for being alive. That's number one. This is my second time around, but a gratefulness, it definitely takes you throughout all the difficult parts of this ordeal. I want to thank also all the people in the prayer group, all my friends, family, patients. It's an amazing job supporting me, because I am a result of what can happen. Fast recuperation, fast healing, when everyone's mind is structured and set on a point. God does work miracles, and He works them through us. I just can't believe how well I'm healing, how quickly I'm healing. My scar is looking really good. Not bad. Chiropractic cervical adjustments, specifically in the occiput C1 and C2 region. It really opens up everything. It sends power to the rest of your body. And I have to admit, it is one of the possibly the prime reason I am so active. After the ICU with meditation alone, I was able to cut down to zero painkillers. I told my body, you can deal with this, you can take care of this. And I understand that not many people are a master at this type of meditation. I don't expect everybody to be able to do this right off the bat, you know. Study, come to seminars, read the books, get training, and then maybe you'll be able to do it as well. Now week 5, and I'm feeling amazing. Still keeping up with my health shakes. I'm keeping up with my positive mental attitude, and obviously taking it easy, relaxing, and lots of sleep. Big thank you to my surgeon, his staff, and the whole ICU unit. Wow, you guys are miracle workers. Thank you so much for everything. I asked my surgeon to go ahead and take some pictures of what's going on inside of me and how they did the surgery. Now, if you have a weak stomach, you might want to fast forward a little bit on the video. So here it is. What you're seeing is the valve, the old one. They put a new one in, obviously. After 10 years, this one's scarred up. Now on the front, you don't see it much. There's a little bit scarring, but on the back, there's a big ring of scar tissue that actually limited the flow of blood, and that's why I had my symptoms again, and it was time for another surgery. But another bigger issue was the aneurysm that was happening right above the piping. In this picture, you see the new tube that they actually sewed my tissue to, and this is connected to the new valve. And in this picture here, you're looking down into the valve. That's pretty miraculous that they're even able to do something like this in this day and age. I hope you didn't puke seeing all that redness there and the blood and the heart, all the tissues. But that's what we look like inside. That's what we all look like inside, regardless of skin, regardless of race. Well, that's it. I hope you found the video informative. Now, if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to reach me at my website right here. I'm Dr. Theo Kousouli, and I wish you maximum health and happiness.